Hey Chamber Pros, I know a lot of us really want our first 100 subscribers on YouTube. However, we probably need some more bite-sized actionable tips to get there. So how do we do that? Well, that's what this video series is all about.
Another thing I want to talk about is a thumbnail. Having a customized thumbnail can help increase the number of clicks your video gets, therefore the number of views. And people can't watch it if they never click on it. So this is my Chambers YouTube channel. Spend half a second just kind of glancing down the available videos because that's all people are really going to look at when you're visiting another YouTube channel anyways. Which videos are the ones that jump out at you? For me, it's the ones that have large text. So the one that says welcome, I already know it's going to be a welcome video. This one is a little bit smaller, but it says register for event. The other ones, yes, I might go through and read these if I'm really interested in watching videos by this place, but what if they're not? What if they're watching another YouTube video and you're actually showing up in the side underneath the suggested videos? There's going to be less of a reason for them to watch because of who you are and more of a reason to watch because you're eye-catching. Even looking at my video, who's going to click on my face? Nobody. I promise. Nobody's going to click on that because it's not interesting, which is why I've added a custom thumbnail. So let's create a custom thumbnail. We're going to do this with Canva. You can click on video presentation or video. Basically, you're looking for that 1920 by 1080 size. That's the most important part. There are quite a few things you can choose from. Keep in mind that this will end up being a photo, not a video, so don't get excited about all the moving parts just yet. We want to start with a template that is eye-catching and has really large text that jumps out at us and makes us kind of stop. I'm going to start with this one. So I'm assuming you already know how to use Canva because I'm glossing through quite a lot of this. Basically, I've just edited the template that I picked to make the text bigger and change the colors a little bit closer to my brand colors. Then I'm just going to download it. And again, it's going to be an image, so make sure it's a PNG or a JPEG. Then you're going to go back to the YouTube video that you are working on. Hopefully, you're adding a custom thumbnail as soon as you schedule it. However, there is no harm in going back and updating your old videos to update that thumbnail because that can help them kind of regain a new life. It won't happen as quickly, usually, as if it was a brand new video, but updating your old thumbnails can help. So this is the video that I'm editing. I'm going to just click on the upload thumbnail button, pretty easy, and choose my new image.
So if that was useful for you, do me a favor and hit that like button so I know. Or if it wasn't, leave a comment, let me know why, or let me know what you still have questions about. I really want to put out stuff that helps you specifically. My goal is to help you grow your chamber so you can focus on growing your impact in your community.